This video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox won't install on your Windows PC. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first thing you want to take note is that maybe your computer doesn't meet the minimum requirements of the Roblox game. So you want to go to this website to see the operating system requirements for Roblox game. You will see and you can compare your system hardware to the requirements of Roblox to see if your PC can support the Roblox game. The next thing you want to do is to turn off your firewall. So how to do that? You just want to go to your search bar and type Windows Security. And you want to hit enter. And from here, you want to click on the virus and threat protection. And you want to go to virus and threat protection settings and just click on manage settings. From here, you want to turn off the real-time protection setting. But always remember, after the Roblox installation is complete, you want to always turn this on. Don't forget to turn this on because this is a important security for your PC. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have stable internet connection and you're not using any VPN. And after that, you want to delete all of your temporary files. So how to delete that? You want again to go to your search bar and type in percentage temp percentage and hit enter. From here, you can see all of your temporary files in this folder. So you just want to select all of it and just delete it. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this fixed your problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.